Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!
You know, when I say anise, or is that a nephew? No. When I say anise, people correct me. When I say anise, I'm corrected again. You know, let's just call it aniseed. It's a flowering plant cultivated for its aromatic seeds. Yeah, look at that. Which are used in cooking and herbal medicine. It's native to the eastern Mediterranean region and Southwest Asia. It's actually part of the parsley family. Its flavor has similarities to other spices such as star anise, fennel, licorice, or black jelly beans. Jelly beans are a spice. They are on this show. Oh, heck. Most traditional anise-flavored liqueurs often come from countries around the Mediterranean. One of the most prominent is absinthe, or pastis, an aperitif which is widely consumed in France, and I guess all over the world, really. Italy has sambuca, which is often accented with a few coffee beans. 3, actually, for good luck. In Spain, they've got anise de mono, or anus of the monkey. No, wait. Anus of the monkey. Greece has ouzo, Turkey has raki, or is that rocky? There's Mexican eshtabantoon. Favored in the Middle East, it's Iraq. And Portugal has escarchado, yeah, which is actually Spanish for crystallized. Now, I may be misclassifying these liquors and liqueurs in the same category. They're actually quite different beverages. This is Anise Escarchado Albugaria. As you can see, there's a sugar-encrusted aniseed flower growing inside the bottle. Very cool. It's like eye candy. Let's try some. Alcohol volume is 22.5%. Oh man, look how thick and syrupy that is. Oh my God. Oh yeah, well, I mean, you get flooded with anise right off the bat. Licorice, licorice, licorice. I mean, it's crystal clear, isn't it? And the smell is, well, you get a little bit of the alcohol, but it's definitely licorice. It's flooding the glass and my nose. Wow, it's very warming. It really has an oily entry for sure. And the smell, the taste, you gotta like licorice, guys, to enjoy this. And I can see where it would be a very good digestive after dinner. It is sweet to the taste, but I like sweet. Yeah. I'll be making a cocktail with this on my crafting cocktail series, only available on Patreon. So all you patrons, stay tuned. And if you're not on Patreon, what are you waiting for? You're missing out on a lot of great recipes. Yeah, you are. That's good, man.
Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!